At the 12th MILEX 2025 International Defense Expo in Minsk, Russia unveiled the latest developments in its Kurganets 25 Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, signaling a significant milestone in the evolution of its armored ground forces. This modernized platform, classified as a BMP under the Rostec umbrella, is a cornerstone of Russia's broader military overhaul. A representative from the High Precision Systems Group told TASS that preliminary testing is nearing completion and most of the Defense Ministry's specifications have been satisfied. Unlike its predecessors, the BMP-1 and BMP-2, known for their nimble design but weak armor, the Kurganets 25 marks a shift toward more robust and digitally advanced IFVs. The battlefield experiences in Ukraine and Syria have underscored the vulnerabilities of older models to contemporary anti-tank weaponry. As a result, the new platform emphasizes survivability, modularity, and digital connectivity to meet the challenges of both conventional and asymmetric warfare. Kurganets, a division of High Precision Systems, leads the Kurganets 25 project. It was initially revealed to select audiences in 2013 and made its public debut at the 2015 Victory Day Parade. The vehicle is built on a unique track chassis, measuring approximately 7.2 meters long, 3.2 meters wide, and 2.3 meters tall, larger than any previous Russian IFV. This extended frame allows for better interior space and reinforced armor. Its front right-mounted diesel engine, producing up to 850 horsepower, enables a top road speed of 80 km per hour. Additionally, the IFV is fully amphibious, featuring two rear-mounted hydrojets that propel it at up to 10 km per hour in water, with a deployable splash guard and bilge pumps for aquatic operations. A standout feature of the Kurganets 25 is the Bumerang-BM unmanned turret, positioned centrally atop the hull. This turret incorporates a 30mm 2A42 autocannon, a 7.62mm PKT coaxial machine gun, and 4 Kurganets-M anti-tank missile launchers. These missiles have a reach of roughly 5.5 kilometers and utilize an advanced tracking system for simultaneous multi-target engagements. Both the commander and gunner can control the weapons, offering redundancy in high-stress situations. In terms of defense, the Kurganets 25 boasts a layered armor system adaptable through modular add-ons based on mission requirements. Passive armor lines the sides, and additional protection such as explosive reactive armor can be mounted on vulnerable sections like the turret and front hull. The vehicle is also engineered to host the Afghanet Active Protection Suite, which incorporates laser warning sensors, automated threat detection, and countermeasure dispensers. Though real-world data on Afghanet's combat performance remains sparse, its inclusion signifies a push toward advanced defensive capabilities. The troop compartment in the rear is designed to hold 6 infantry soldiers in addition to the standard 3-member crew. Entry and exit are managed through a powered rear ramp with a central door. Inside, crew members benefit from panoramic external cameras for full 360-degree awareness. The onboard systems include a sophisticated combat management interface with GPS, inertial navigation, thermal imaging, and a laser rangefinder. A partially automated fire control system allows for rapid target engagement, bringing the Kurganets 25 in line with Western standards for digital battlefield readiness. However, its resilience to electronic interference has yet to be independently verified. Field evaluations at MILEX covered a range of performance metrics, such as cross-country maneuverability, firing accuracy on the move, impact resistance, and durability in extreme conditions. Although preliminary results are being presented as favorable, the absence of transparent technical documentation and live combat data means any conclusions should be drawn with caution. Official state-level trials will ultimately determine the vehicle's full operational viability within the Russian military. The development journey of the Kurganets 25, which began in the early 2010s, has been marred by delays due to industrial bottlenecks, design revisions, and funding issues. Despite the vehicle's prominent display in the 2015 parade, serial production has yet to commence, raising questions among defense analysts. Concerns linger about the vehicle's technological maturity and whether Russia's defense industry can maintain production and logistics at scale. Nonetheless, the Kurganets 25's appearance at MILEX 2025 indicates ongoing commitment to its development as a foundation for a wider range of armored variants. Planned offshoots include command and control vehicles, reconnaissance versions, medical evacuation units, and dedicated fire support platforms. The vehicle is envisioned as one leg of a triad of future armored platforms alongside the heavier Armada and the wheeled Bumerang, aiming for strategic modularity and joint operability. With field trials approaching completion, the Kurganets 25 edges closer to potential deployment. However, its future still hinges on passing the upcoming state certification processes, demonstrating performance reliability in operational settings, and proving cost-effective for mass adoption. As global militaries invest in next-generation armored solutions, Russia's bet on the Kurganets 25 could shape the future configuration of its ground forces and determine its competitiveness in international defense markets.